let's get to the big news break coming in. The flight carrying Tahavur Rana has just touched down at the Palam Technical Airport at 6:24 p.m. You can see now that the latest update is just coming in. The update we've all been waiting for. Tahavur Hussain Rana has been brought back to India. The flight carrying him has touched down at the Palam Technical Airport at 6:24 p.m. dot. That flight has landed. Now you're going to see the formalities kicking in. But for everyone who's seen what happened and the terror that was unleashed on 26 November 2008 in Mumbai, this is a moment we've been waiting and watching for. For survivors, for victims of 26/11, they will feel one step closer to justice with Tahavur Rana now being brought back to India. He is now going to face a trial in Indian courts for the very first time in person. But the big breaking news that's coming in is the flight has touched down. If Amit Bharadwaj is with us at the Palam Airport, I'm going to take this across to him. Amit, the confirmation coming in that the flight has now landed. It's a matter of time now before Tahavur Rana in a bulletproof vehicle is brought out of the airport once formalities are taken care of. All right, don't think Amit is with us. I'll take this across to Shivani in the meanwhile. Shivani, now you'll see the formalities kick in, and after that we understand that Tahavur Rana will be brought into the NIA headquarters. Next step perhaps is a formal arrest of this terrorist.
Certainly, Akshita, now the next step will be taken ahead, that the formalities of his coming out of that aircraft, leaving this airport and then coming to the NIA headquarters. So between his journey from the aircraft to the NIA headquarters, there will be a set of formalities that have to be taken into account by the agencies out there. There are some officials of the NIA who are already travelling with Rana on this aircraft. There are some officials who are waiting for him at the airport to place him under arrest, and the medical will be done as a procedure. This is a very high profile and a high sensitive extradition case that has been done together by the United States and India. So all the protocols have to be followed in a very diligent manner, Akshita. So it might take a little more time for him to come out of this aircraft and to be at the NIA headquarters. That's what we are picking up from our sources. And the NIA headquarters is already ready with all the security circles in line